In this video, we will show how to splice in a new roll of film when you have one installed, but it is about to run out. This will save time when compared to re-webbing the entire machine, because you will only need to run the film from the film holder to the joint plate. Then you can allow the machine to pull the splice through. Start by placing the magnets above the splicing point to hold the film in place. Then, using a razor knife, slice the film along the center line in the joint plate. Disengage the film roll brake and secure it in place with the provided bracket. Loosen the thumb screw on the film vertical support, pull the retaining pin, and lower the vertical support. Now, remove the collar securing the film roll, and remove the roll of film. Install the new roll of film, being sure that it is all the way against the backstop. Reinstall the collar. Rotate the collar in a counterclockwise direction to tighten and secure the film. Next, web the film through the rollers and up to the joint plate. Be sure to follow the path shown on the film control placard for your machine. Now, find the first eye mark on the new roll of film. You will want to align this with the first eye mark on the film that remained on the machine and trim along the center line. Next, place a strip of tape under the film with the sticky side facing up. Be sure that you leave a few inches of extra on both sides of the film. Now, press the new film down onto the tape, taking care to line it up with the current film. Fold the excess tape over the top of the film. This will help the seam stay together as it is pulled through the machine. Then, remove the magnets and re-engage the film roll brake. Now, raise the vertical support. Reinstall the retaining pin and tighten the thumb screw. It is a good idea to mark the splice area so that it is easy to see as it is pulled through the machine. Now, you can continue running production until the splice gets to the front of the machine. Keep an eye on the film above the auger tubes and watch for the splice. When you see the splice, you will want to turn off the product filling and allow the splice to pass through the filling section. When the splice gets past the horizontal seal bar, you can turn the filling back on and resume production. Depending on the type of film you are using, it can sometimes be difficult for empty sticks to pass through the cooling and cutting stations as seen here. When this occurs, stop the machine, pull the empty sticks down through the cutting knives, and flatten out the next set of horizontal seals. You will then need to manually cut off the material that extends through the knife. To do this, go to the manual test screen. Turn the manual test button on, and then turn the cutting function on, and then back off. Now turn manual test off. It may be necessary to do this a few times to get the sticks running through properly. Thank you for watching. To learn more about SP Group products, check us out online.